You can attract your specific person to be deeply in love with you in just days. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make it happen. Hey superheroes, welcome to my channel. If you're new here and eager to learn how to manifest your desires quickly using the law of assumption and Neville Goddard's teachings, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss any life-changing content. Today, we're diving into how to manifest a specific person. The method I'm sharing works incredibly fast, sometimes within days or even hours. I've tested it many times, and those I've shared it with have seen it work consistently. The first and most crucial step to manifesting a specific person is to transform your self-concept. Self-concept is simply how you view yourself. Many people think negatively about themselves, believing things like, I'm not attractive, I'm invisible to men or women, or I'm not worth noticing. As long as you hold these beliefs, that is what you'll experience in your reality. Why? Because your reality mirrors your thoughts and beliefs. This means that everyone, including the person you're interested in, reflects back to you what you think about yourself. If you think, I'm not desirable, or no one wants to be with me, guess what? That's exactly how people, including your specific person, will treat you. To attract someone specific, you must first change how you see yourself. Start thinking of yourself as extraordinary, because you are. Tell yourself that you're attractive, captivating, and a person who draws attention wherever you go. Affirmations like, I am the most desirable person, or everyone is drawn to me, can reinforce your self-worth. If you're a woman, affirm that every man I meet is eager to be with me, or every woman wants to be like me. For men, think, every woman I meet wants to date me, or every man wants to be like me. See yourself as the very standard of beauty, and understand that your unique qualities make you the ideal. Beauty standards are ever-changing, so why not decide that you set the standard? Embrace the idea that everyone wants to look like you, have your personality, your smile, your energy. As you cultivate this mindset, it will be reflected in your reality, and your specific person will be irresistibly drawn to you. Remember, the key is to fall in love with yourself first. The thoughts you wish your specific person to have about you should be the thoughts you have about yourself. If you want them to think you are stunning, you need to believe that you are. Focus on what you love about yourself and let those qualities shine. Another important point to remember is that in your reality, your specific person has no free will. As you change your thoughts, their thoughts about you will change as well. They don't have a choice in this because your reality mirrors your internal world. So if doubts creep in, remind yourself that by changing your thoughts, the situation must shift in your favor. Next, consider the story you've been telling yourself about your relationships or this specific person. If it's negative, it's time to rewrite that narrative. The story you tell yourself shapes your reality, so choose one that empowers you. Forget the past and focus on the present where you can create the life you desire. Finally, live from the end. Think, feel, and act as if you already have what you want. Assume your specific person is already crazy about you and mirror those thoughts back to yourself. Visualize them being distracted at work because they can't stop thinking about you or constantly wanting to be near you. If there is a third party involved, see them as insignificant. They are just a placeholder, and by believing in your worth, the third party will naturally fade from your reality. Whenever doubts arise, remind yourself of the power of your thoughts and how they shape your reality. Use these methods, and you could see results in just days. Let me know your experiences in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more tips to manifest your dream life.